Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with our Redmi Watch 5 Lite smartwatch, one of the latest smartwatch from Redmi in the Watch 5 series. Remember, we do have the Redmi Watch 5 active, and right now what we have is the Redmi Watch 5 Lite, a more premium version of the Watch 5 smartwatch. And as you can see here, it's already preloaded with watch faces. We are going to explore more on this section. We are going to check the available watch faces for our Redmi Watch 5 Lite as well as the preloaded watch faces. We will also try to download an additional watch face and of course a custom watch face if there is an option for that. So if you are interested to check on the available dials or watch faces for the Redmi Watch 5 Lite, watch this video and of course like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and explore the world of watch faces for our Redmi Watch 5 Lite. As you can see here, it's already preloaded with watch faces. Long press on the screen display and you can change the watch face. There are at least 3 available watch faces, but each watch faces has a different options as you can see here. So different colors for this one. Okay, we have at least 3 as you can see. Check to accept. Then we have another one, edit. How many for this one? At least 3 also. Okay, check to accept. Then long press the other one, edit. Let's see. So different colors. And check again to accept. Tap on to change. So that's it for the preloaded watch faces. For other options on your screen display, let's check. We have the settings, watch faces, press and hold screen. For the display, we have the brightness option, auto lock. You can change it to 1 minute or 5 minutes. Raise to wake, you can also set this. You can also set to all day. Tap to wake, there's also an option for this one. And there's also an option for the smart always on display function. Okay, default theme, that's it. What else? Okay, so that's it for the screen and watch faces, preloaded watch faces. In the support app, you can download. Okay, so we do have an update here later on. Here on the support app, we have a section for band display. Tap on it and it will load the different watch faces for your smartwatch. So here are the available watch faces for your Redmi Watch 5 Lite. So we have at least several categories here: utility, formal, custom, and workout. We have here beautiful looking watch faces. Okay, I like this one, Charm Life. Okay, if you want to check it all, you can select the all section. Okay, so it will be a bit slow, but still the good thing is you can check all the different watch faces here. So we have technology here: simple, mechanical, custom, formal, activity. What else? Cartoon, analog. Okay, let's go here with the fresh and fun. So this is the pre-installed watch faces official. We have the creative. Let's check. Okay, funny numbers. and radio. I like this one also. Let's check. Let's try this one. Okay, so we can see the black border on our smartwatch. Then apply. Installing update. What we are doing right now is downloading the watch face. Okay, so we do have here the black border, and the bottom part is a bit big, but on this, the left and right is slim, including the top, okay, border. Okay, so far the watch face is very sharp. I like the color. Again, this is an AMOLED screen display with a high resolution screen. Okay, let me check again for the screen resolution. 410 by 502 pixels. How many watch faces do we have now? Let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's add another one and see if how many watch faces, okay, that the Redmi Watch 5 Lite can handle. Okay, so check, apply, installing update. I like this one. I like the color. Okay, I think I'm going to pick this one as my go-to watch face. Okay, so we have 1. Let's see again. 1, 2. We have at least 5 here. Let's have another one. Let's go with the fresh and fun. Okay, I don't like this section here. Mechanical. You have Titan, gadget, mechanical, stimulation. Okay, let's try this one. Then apply. Installing update. And we are done. Okay, let's have this one, another one. How many watch face do we have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have at least 6 watch faces now. And let's go to the utility section. Okay, let's pick this one, sporty. Then apply. Installing update. Remember, we already have 6. Not enough storage space. Delete. Okay, so up to 6 only. Okay, you can only download up to 3 watch faces for your smartwatch. How about the custom? Let's see. Album 5, album 3. Okay, I like this one. Let's tap on this. Then always on display. So this is the always on display. And this is the watch face. Custom photo. Let's select. Going to pick this one. Okay. Continue. Then let's apply. Can we still add a custom watch face? Not enough storage space. Delete some display. Okay, so we have to delete other watch faces. Go to local. Let's delete this one. Stimulation. Delete. Okay. Let's see. Okay, we downloaded it again. I think delete. Okay, that's it. Then let's go again to the manage band display. Let's go to the custom watch face, custom photo, downloads. Select this one, continue, then apply. Installing update. Let's wait. Again, you can only add at least 3 watch faces. And we have it here. Very good. Okay, so we have successfully downloaded a custom watch face. Then, the last one, let's see if we can delete our local watch faces. So, these 3 are the downloaded watch faces. Let's see if we can delete this one. Can we delete it? No, you don't have an option to delete the watch face. So, there's no option. How about this one? Okay, no option also. Okay, so that's it for the tutorial on how to download a watch face for your Redmi Watch 5 Lite smartwatch, as well as the custom watch face. And we also showed you the list of available watch faces for your Redmi Watch 5 Lite. And so far, we do have a very good list of watch faces for this smartwatch. Again, if you have any questions regarding this video or the Redmi Watch 5 Lite, drop a comment below. And still, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye!